Grammar is very important for speaking English. You know, most English speaker make grammatical mistakes while speaking in English. If we don't know grammar, definitely we will do a lot of mistake. When we will face mistake, so it will be start to think, oh my God, I am wrong. How can I speak English? This sentence
Yes,
is not coming in my mind correctly. How is possible to speak English with those people? They know English better than me. So every single mistake will stop us to speak English with people. If we will improve our grammar, so definitely our a lot of mistake will be correct. One more thing I want to tell you that is very fantastic and that is very important to for every English speaker. There are multiple ways to improve our grammar. The first thing what I face, what I think, building blocks of grammar. As a first step, it is important to know building blocks of grammar like nouns, pronouns, articles, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, interjection, and conjunction. That is very important to know. And second
yes,
thing, what I want to tell you that pay attention. Pay attention to sentences formation, sentences structures. So when we read articles and when we watch any movie, so we pay attention to sentences structure. How are sentences constructed? If we will watch any movie like that, if we will read any articles, to pay attention on our grammar, so definitely our grammar will be strong, our grammar will be
yes, yes,
improved. When we will improve our grammar, definitely our speaking will be better more and more. And third one, what I want to say here, to improve grammar, practice. Practice, brother, practice is very important. You know, practice makes man perfect.
yes,
The more we practice, the more we will feel confidence in ourselves. The more we speak English, the more we improve our communication skills. You know, many people, they know how to read English. Many
yes,
students, they know how to write English correctly, but
yes,
they
yes,
are not capable to speak English for 5 minutes, 10 minutes in front of you, in front of anyone without hesitation. So, what is the reason
yes,
behind it? The reason is that they know how to read, they know how to write, they can understand also, but they are not doing practice. So because of this, they are not capable to speak English in front of anyone without hesitation. So practice is very important. The last one is that when we will complete our education, we think the learning process it is enough. No, it is not enough. We should not stop our learning process, but we should learn more and more whenever we get free time, whenever we meet elder person, they know English language better than us. So we should learn with the help of these people. So if we will do, so definitely our English will be improved, our grammar will be improved, our English will be improved, many things. So there are multiple ways to improve our grammar.